everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn about a new project called From Potatoes to French Fries. How? So this is the project name. So let's begin. What is it? So today I'm not signed in, but this is our project, what it looks like. So let's begin. First, what do? We test this. We click on the green flag, then click on the potato. So this was the recipe and it's a very simple project. So first we will begin with the backgrounds. There is only one background and no code, dark blue and light blue. The two rectangular. And now here is the sprite which does the pop sound and next costume. So this is also very simple. All we have to do is look into the costumes, which are also happen to be very easy. So this is 6 blocks. The whole project consists of only 6 blocks. So now moving on to the costumes. We make this by using the circular tool, the plate and the potato, and then we reshape it. Or you can use circular tool directly like this and like this. See, the potato shape is made. Now we will delete it. Delete. And now, in case you are wondering how I deleted it, so use the delete key on your keyboard. We have this here, the text and the potato and little dots formed from the brush tool. Same here, but the brush tool also created over here a knife. And the text has been changed. Now the potato, we have deleted the potato and instead we have used the brush tool for the french fries. But you can also use the rectangular tool. It's the same. And here is this hot sauce which we got. So this hot sauce is here. How we make the effect of the hot sauce? So we just use the fill button over here, and then we have over here the circular one in which we can lighten the color in the middle only. So now we can fill it like this. So it looks like yellowish. It looks like the sun color, but it looks so nice. So this is how to make the sauce and all the costumes. It's really easy. So easy that you can make it in just 20 minutes. Unlike other projects. So just join Scratch and find out how this was made by watching my video and how did it get so popular. So it was first made because the Scratch event, and thus it got popular. So thank you for watching everyone. That's all for now. See you soon in my next video. Before you go, Don't forget to click on subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't be missing out on our latest videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.